Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Roku Express without a remote. Now, if you are having problems and you want to reset your device, this is very easy. Go to the Roku device, turn it around, and you'll notice on the back here, there is a specific button right here to reset the device. Now, all you have to do is hold this down, and it's kind of in a little bit, so you do need to have long fingernails or something to press it down with. Just hold that down for like 10 to 15 seconds and look at your TV, and this will completely reset your device. And then you have to log back in like was the first time, so you'll have to select like Wi-Fi, and you'll have to set a language, and you'll have to activate your device with an email address too. But it shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes to fully reset everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.